What up guys, it's your boy DJY and we're back with another episode. We have yours truly Nasir Jones in the building. So last night was to major legendary rapper was invited at Tribeca Film Festival in New York City. He had official premiere of his new documentary movie, man. This is crazy. Where my Nas fans at?
God right there. Nah. Out here with the legendary Nas.
What's up, boss?
Made his director of you.
That's right.
Happy Father's Day, my brother.
Happy Father's Day.
Legend.
First of all, I want to say major shout out to Steve LaBelle for giving us exclusive footage of legendary Nas. We working, baby. So after premiere, legendary Nasir Jones made beautiful announcements about his new documentary movie.
About people that was really powerful in any community in New York, you felt like you wanted to learn more about them, So when I heard about these names, I was a kid, so I grew up hearing about these people, and even when I stepped outside a little bit and tried to make a dollar, you would think, damn.
Honestly, guys, I want to say that his words is so powerful, man. This man is true intelligent. He's true king of the New York City. If you think so, just tell me in comment section. Hip-hop ain't dead because we have legendary Nasir Jones. Guys, you know that Nas continues his successful Europe tour. He nearly did 5 shows in top Europe countries and he still continues his marathon, man. This is crazy, bro. Because Nas have millions of the fans, millions of the hard fans in whole wide world. Literally, everyone needs to meet their hero, Nasir Jones. Everyone needs to be blessed. This is true facts. Now, guys, it's time to move to the next topic. I want to say Happy Father's Day to everyone. And we have a very emotional video about XXXTentacion. Rest in peace, young king.
Today we have topic about gone rapper XXXTentacion. Before I show you guys today's video, I'm gonna say that this footage made me sad. We all know that American rapper and singer XXXTentacion passed away at the age of 20. When the news of his unexpected passing away came, fans and people around the world started paying tribute to the late rapper. Many even shared an ominous video he posted on Instagram Live only some days before his passing, where he revealed how he would like people to remember him if he were to die. Today I want to show you guys a very emotional video of rapper's son Like a Human. Baby tells his father, XXXTentacion, Happy Father's Day. So let's check this out, this beautiful footage, come on.
Who's this? Who that is?
It's Papa.
That's who?
It's Papa.
That's Papa?
Yes.
Say Happy Father's Day, Papa.
Happy Papa.
Yeah, happy.
Man, this hurts. This is so sad. To rest in peace rapper XXXTentacion. He would have been one of the biggest artists, but life is ruthless. But I'm gonna say that his son is his reincarnation and he really looking like his father, his clone. And before I finish the video, I want to ask you guys our question of the day. Tell me which is your favorite song of rapper XXXTentacion. For me, it's Sad. So write your opinions in the comments below and stay tuned. In the next episode we have a topic about rapper Drake. Drake reacts to fake Drake kicked out of the Houston club. So stay tuned guys, subscribe YTV, get the notification bells and don't forget to visit the website hipopty.com. Thank you so much for watching, peace.